birthday to you, my dearest Bea. Alam mo, matagal na tayo nagkasama. Ang batang-bata ka pa noon. Hindi ko akalain 21 years old ka na ngayon. Yung time na yun, I think we were just 14, 15. So, di ba, parang ang bilis-bilis ng panahon. So, kailangan mag-enjoy ka dahil 21 ka na ngayon. Have fun and have the best sa lahat ng mga gagawin.
Bea, happy birthday and many more. At magpaganda ka lalo. Napakaganda mo, sobra. Naku, swerte ka. Kung binata ako, niligawan kita. Hinala, 80 na ako eh. Tsaka may love na ako. Anyway, more power sa iyong career. Ano? And good luck doon sa bago mong show. Ha? I love you. Take care.
Now, on her 21st birthday, we come fully to share our love and give support to our beloved Philbert Angeli Ronaldo. Tunay kang kapamilya sa puso naming lahat. Happy, happy birthday!
She may be the face I can't forget, a trace of pleasure or regret, maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She